Hey guys, guess what? It's the second time we at Rally's again. And this time we got their world famous fries. That's like the main thing I like from Rally's. And they got this new version though. You know they have a loaded fries? This one takes it a step further. It's the Texas loaded fries. Yeah, I don't know what's on it. I don't know what it's about. $2.99 though, couldn't pass that up. Let's find out. Got some napkins, of course. And whew, got them in a box here. Got some weight to it. Ooh, I see something in the bag. We got a jalapeno string. Woo. Ooh. That one little jalapeno just killed me. Wow, that's hot. They're not playing around. So let's see what we actually got inside the box. Ooh, you guys see this? No! Wow, that's so sad. But take a look at what we got. Texas loaded fries, loaded with some jalapenos, some bacon, some cheese, some ranch. Yes, so it looks like these are the regular loaded fries, smothered in jalapenos and somehow 60 cents less. I really don't know what to do with these because all those jalapenos are looking at me like they're about to attack, and that little stray one in the bag already did its business in my throat, so let's do it. I really wish they gave me a fork because this looks like a mess, but I guess that's what loaded fries do. Let's grab some right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. They loaded these fries up the right way. Loaded up with bacon bits, ranch, cheese, jalapenos, all of it's on these fries. It looks like it's going throughout too. This is gonna be good. So let's dig in. Woo. Oh. Got the jalapeno, I felt it. Still feel it. It's right in there. Woo. So much flavor. The ranch, the bacon, the cheese, all conglomerates together and then has a big spicy kick at the end. Woo. I mean, their seasoned fries are already some of the best. But loading it up like this, I didn't think it would work. It do. Yeah. Oh, that cheddar and ranch. Oh. These things are a hit. I just wish there was a fork. The jalapenos aren't as hot when you mix it up with everything else. By themselves though, they're on fire. And even with everything, they're pretty on fire. But it's more manageable. Oh no, we got two of them here. Ooh. Oh my god. I think I'm sweating. These are hot. Oh, ah, I think my tongue's on fire. I should have got an ice cream cone with it. Alright, you guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, the Rally's Texas loaded fries, they are a flaming hella smacks. They taste so good. They got all the flavors. But they are hot. They are hot. I'm dying over here. Whew. I knew I shouldn't have had those 3 jalapenos back to back like that. You would think the ranch would cool it. You know, the ranch might actually cool it down. There's no jalapeno action. Kinda. Oh. They are hot. Did not expect them to be this hot. Oh. If you guys tried them for yourself, let me know if you thought they were hot. I don't know why they're less. These cost less with more ingredients because the jalapenos are gonna kill you. So that's why they're giving you a little bit of a discount. Whew. Thumbs up, red subscribe button, get that merch, social media, and I'll see y'all in the next one, hopefully. Whew.